Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a device using Bluetooth connection on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So first things first, you have to check if your device that you want to connect is available, is visible in the Bluetooth web. So just do it. I cannot give you any advice on it because it depends on the kind of device that you're using. For example, I'm using my headphones, so I have enabled them, and they automatically entered the pairing mode. So from now on I have to press the start button, then go to the settings, then select Bluetooth and devices, then enable Bluetooth by switching the toggle bar over here, and then click add device and select Bluetooth and select show all devices. But as you can see, my Bluetooth has already found my headphones, so I just click on them and wait until they are connected. And as you can see, my headphones, microphone and audio were successfully connected to our laptop, and right now we can find the device in on the devices list. Alright, here we can see in the sound settings, we can see that the headphones are being used for the sounds. And let us go back to the Bluetooth and devices, and as you can see right here, we can already see the device that we have just connected. And to remove the device, you have to press this three dot icon over here and either disconnect so that you temporarily will have no access to the headphones until you connect them back again, or just remove the device so that you will only be able to use the headphones, in my case, when you connect them once again. So let me disconnect them. And that will basically be it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.